Alright.
up here close.
Alright, this is how I change my baler pins. Easy. People say use a drill. I don't use a drill, especially when they're seized up. You'll take your air hammer.
This is on a
Cp690. Get that pin through just a little bit. And then I made a homemade attachment here for my air hammer. This is milled. I've laid down to 0.125. It's 1/8 of an inch. I'll switch it out here. Then I'll lay that thing right in there. Pin comes right out there, about halfway. And then I made another air hammer attachment. I drilled a hole right in the center of this.
About a 1/4 inch hole.
I'll put it in there. If I can get it in there. Take your new pin, slide her in there, and your air hammer will go right in right there. And you don't want to do this too hard, but and that's it.
Done.